To combat COVID-19, we made some adjustments to some of our branches, and today we want to take a look at what it's like to visit a Leavitt Machinery branch with all these adjustments in place. So let's go take a look. Did you know many of our Leavitt Machinery branches offer curbside pickup? That's right. You can call in your order for things like replacement parts and then come and pick them up outside. Call your local Leavitt Machinery branch to ensure that this option is available. But today we need to go inside the branch, so let's take a look at what the process is. So first off, you can see that there's some important signage on the door. We're asking all customers to read over the signage and then call into the branch. And our branch administrators will take your call and allow you into the building. So today, let's give Krisha a call and get her to come let us into the building.
I'll ask you to sign in here with your full name and phone number. We record this information so that if there ever happens to be a COVID-19 case related to our branch, we know who may have been at risk for exposure. This brief questionnaire will also help us to screen for customers who may have had a previous COVID-19 exposure or are starting to develop symptoms of the virus. We will get you to sign out when you leave so we know exactly how long you were in the branch.
But every branch will be different. Make sure you call your closest Leavitt Machinery branch and ask them about their COVID-19 policies and procedures. Thanks for watching and have a safe day.